Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I hope you had a good holiday and Happy New Year. So I'm just making this quick video to talk about a couple of things and talk about a couple of things that are coming up soon, because it's a brand new year 2018 and I want you to start it real strong. So first of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. It's been an absolutely amazing experience. I just love making videos and it makes me really exciting when you guys watch it and leave comments and all that stuff. It's really exciting and just want to thank you for watching my videos. So the reason I'm making this video is to talk about a couple of things that are coming up very soon and I need your feedback for it. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that I'm finishing a really amazing free workshop that I've been working on for a while, but in order to finish it I need your feedback. So this is a free workshop, free training workshop that is going to take you through a whole training step by step, and it's going to teach you to start an online business, and it's going to do it in amazing detail, and it's going to give you like a lot of training. It's a free video workshop, and also it's going to give you like PDF resources and all that stuff. So it's amazing. It's very complete, and it's just, you're going to learn a lot of great stuff. Now, to make this workshop better, I want you to leave comments and just let me know what you want to learn inside it. So because I want to teach things that you want to learn, so it's important for me to know exactly what you want to learn. So what I'm asking you here is to leave comments under this video and let me know what you want to learn. It's really simple. Just leave a comment, let me know what you want to learn, and I'm going to because I've been working on it for a while, but in order for me to finish it, as I said, I need your feedback, so I make something that is going to actually be helpful to you guys. So just leave your comment, let me know what you want to learn, and I'm going to make it happen. When you access that workshop, you're going to learn that you're going to get answers to your questions. It's pretty cool, it's pretty amazing. And also if you want to access this workshop, make sure to click the link under this video. It's a waiting list. Okay, so it's a waiting list that you can join the waiting list, and I'm going to send you an email when the workshop is ready that you can just access it. All right, so it's simple. Just click the link, join the waiting list. I'm going to send it to you, and the workshop is going to come out very soon. So just make sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think, what you need to learn, and also click the link and join the waiting list so I can send it to you when it's out. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos. I'm really excited about 2018. 2017 was amazing, and I'm really excited about 2018. I want you to start it strong. So so let me know what you want to learn, and I'm going to make it happen in a new free workshop that I'm going to release very soon in the next couple of days. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.